You know what the time is. So today's video is another one dedicated to the daily CIPHER in hamster combat. So today's video is for the daily CIPHER, and I know in case you guys have been wondering why I'm not doing the daily combo video, this is because the combo that are required for the daily combo to earn 5 million coin will actually cost me, because of the levels I've reached in all these things, in all this card. It's actually going to cost me way more than 5 million coin before I actually complete them, which I'm not interested in buying those cards anymore. So that is the reason. So that's by the way. So today's video is for the daily CIPHER. So since today's CIPHER is not going to be costing me anything, I'm going to be making video about it, which I think is cool. So what I would like you to do is, while watching the video, try to drop a like. It's going to take the video long way for other people to watch it, because the more you like video, the more YouTube share it. Is for my own benefit and for the benefit of others that have not done their CIPHER. So without saying much, let's dive into the main thing of the day. So first thing is to know the name of the CIPHER. So according to the information I have here, the word for the code for the CIPHER is halve, like BTC halving or whatever. So we're going to go with halve. So we are going to start with hedge. Hedge is 4.1234. You give us hash. A is going to be 1 dot hash, which is A. L is hash dot hash dot. Sorry, let me start afresh. So 1 2 3 4, which is hash, and then dot hash, which is A. L dot hash dot. Okay, let me start it again. 1 2 3 4 dot hash dot hash dot half dot hash. That is for V, and the last one is dot. So you guys saw how I did it. You can watch the video or slow the motion of the video so that you see how it's going to be done. So it's going to be there. I'm also going to, I'm going to drop it in the comment, in the description of this video. If you don't actually understand or see it as I did it in the video, you can also check out the description of this video for it. So if I click on take the price now, you see that I've actually gotten the price for the day. So that is it. I hope you guys got value from it. If you got value, don't forget to subscribe, follow for more updates like this, and don't miss out the next one. So see you guys. Bye.